In this video, we'll explain what you need to be aware of before shipping dangerous goods. To ship dangerous goods, you need to be trained and understand the necessary international regulations. These regulations specify the type of packaging, documentation, marking and labelling that are required for the safe transport of dangerous goods. Rules on shipping dangerous goods can vary per transport mode, so be sure to check with your carrier which transport modes will be used for shipping your goods. You, as the shipper, have the responsibility to ensure the dangerous goods are correctly classified, declared, packed, and labelled with the right documentation for the countries of origin, transit, and destination. To find out the classification of your goods, check with the manufacturer or supplier. Let's take bleach as an example. This is a product that's readily available for day-to-day use, but may fall under the classification of dangerous goods when being transported. So let's go through the steps to pack bleach for shipping. This box needs to have specification markings, which confirm it was tested and can be used to transport dangerous goods. And note, the marking differs for each dangerous goods classification. Place a plastic bag in the box and put the bleach inside. Fill the empty space with packing material like vermiculite. Then close the plastic bag with a cable tie. Since bleach is a corrosive substance, it's important to stick a corrosive substance label on the box. After you've stuck the labels to the box, make sure it's properly sealed. And when the driver comes to pick up your package, make sure you hand over the shipment's dangerous goods documentation. It's also worth bearing in mind that you can hire a person or company to ship dangerous goods for you. Thanks for watching. Explore the Shipping channel for more videos.